The Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council has come openly in support of the Waqf Amendment Bill. It has urged members of Parliament from Kerala to back the Waqf Amendment Bill, which is expected to be reintroduced during the ongoing session of the Parliament. A powerful organization of Catholic bishops in Kerala belonging to the Syro-Malabar, Latin and Syro-Malankara churches. The Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council has taken strong note of Munambam issue. Nearly 610 families of Munambam coastal village in the Ernakulam district, who are all Christians, have been protesting against the claim by the Waqf board on their land. Father Thomas Tharayil from Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council Secretariat said that provisions in the Waqf law which legitimize the illegal claims in such a way that people in Munambam are unable to exercise their revenue claims on the land need to be amended. Welcoming the Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council's decision, BJP Kerala President Rajiv Chandrasekhar too appealed all MPs from Kerala to support the Waqf Amendment Bill, stating that such a stance is necessary for addressing the land-related issues being faced by the fisher community in Munambam. Meanwhile, Union Minister of Minority Affairs Kiran Rijiju, appreciating Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council's decision, wrote on X that I welcome the request by Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council to all MPs of Kerala to support the Waqf Amendment Bill as a minister and as a minority community member. It is the duty of those in politics to care for and address problems and challenges faced by our people. For example, hundreds of families in Munambam, Kerala have suffered and continue to seek a solution to protect their properties and homes. This act is not against any community. That is propaganda being spread to poison the minds of some. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and our government strives to protect the rights of every Indian citizen and will continue to do so. I sincerely hope all Kerala MPs will support this bill in the interest of all people and not sacrifice the interest of people for petty appeasement politics. Significantly, both the CPIM-led LDF and Congress-led UDF in Kerala have opposed the Waqf Amendment Bill as they don't want to annoy the Muslim population that are in sizable numbers in Kerala.